Hello everyone, today's video is going to be on animation using AI. Recently I posted an animation on my channel, this one,
The
which
night felt
basically
wrong.
was a
Not
trailer
quiet, not
to one of my movies that I'm going to make a full animated movie using AI. I'm going to teach you how you can make these kind of videos using AI. First, just see the video.
safe, watching. Batman stood on a rooftop, but he wasn't alone. A shadow moved behind him, slow, deliberate. Same cape, same cowl.
You got the idea, right? So this is a very basic, I'll say, kind of animation, but this is very special and this is 100% AI. The voiceovers, the video generation, the effects, everything is AI. So let's get into it. Now, I'll be using Claude. I'm a Claude use कर रहा हूँ because it is better and creative writing. So let's go. मैंने इसको कोई भी डेटा पैलेस फीड नहीं किया by the way, so you can see the charts. It is all empty. ये सबसे बहुत नया अकाउंट है एकदम. So let's start. I want a script as I want to make an animated video regarding, not regarding, animated video in which Batman's is faced off with someone horrible, and that person is Batman. Is Batman dark identity? This is something that I thought of my own, and this is not something that is coming up anywhere. That's the same topic that I took from my video. Identity. Make a script for the video. Let's start. By the way, up to me, you don't need to give a great prompt because AI agents are like doing very, very good right now. The Dark Knight Within. Okay. Great name, by the way. Okay. So I'll say that what I'll say to the AI that I only want dialogues. I only want dialogues. Why? Because now ये हम लोग बाद में यूज करेंगे एक्चुअली द आई ओनली वांट डायलॉग्स मैं क्यों लिखूंगा क्योंकि जब हम लोग 11 लैब्स में जाएंगे 11 लैब्स इज बेसिकली वॉइस एआई तुम्हारी वॉइस को वो टर्न कर देगा इनटू योर स्क्रिप्ट टू वॉइस I'm going to just log in. अब I have chosen Claude because ChatGPT उतना अच्छा creative writing नहीं करता है. Claude is the best in creative writing, by the way. So I've given this prompt कि I want a script of an animated video because we are making an animated video. You need to specify that this is an animated video. And I'm using the same topic as this Patton's Doppelganger. Okay, and this video's generation, and I want a script of it, right? इसने जो script दिया है, this is describing everything. Cold, open, lightning, ये सब हम लोग को एक AI से बुलवाना नहीं है. So what I'll type is I want only dialogues. ये dialogues मिल जाएंगे हमें. Okay, ये void से कुछ बना दिया है इसने एक story, ठीक है? So what I'll do, I'll copy all this thing and wait. I need to add another prompt in 30 seconds. I don't want any much longer. मुझे ज़्यादा ही बड़ी script चाहिए ही नहीं. 30 seconds. तो ये short कर देगा script को, ठीक है? And then we'll use an AI called 11 Labs. 11 Labs is basically text to speech. ये आप कोई भी text डालोगे and you choose a voice and that will speak up. For example, अभी हम लोग एक horror element use कर रहे हैं तो maybe some horror voice if I can get one. जो horror में बहुत use होता है creepy we want got one. Let me
He
hear.
swore he left before sunset. Yet somehow, the shadows reached home before he did.
बरसों से पुराने नक्शे
I don't want Hindi. I mean, I need English.
22-year-old Dylan Price was
Great. Okay, so we got one. We are going to add this one. Okay, and then we have our 30-second dialogue cut. Okay, so let's paste this and we want the speed to be a little bit slower, good stability, and no similarity. We have got a
The
speech.
void.
Let's listen to
You
it.
felt it.
The
That half
problem
second
that was
before you
coming
caught
up
him.
कि
You didn't
तो
want to. You
इसमें
felt
हम
it.
लोग का the void,
That half
Batman, वो सब mentioned था, so I'm going to regenerate it, and this is 36 seconds long. Perfect.
second before you caught him. You didn't want to. You're not real. You felt it. That half second before you caught him. You didn't want to. You're not real. I'm the only real thing left in you. I am your oath, your rage, the reason you'll never stop. I know. Then you can't defeat me. Removes cow.
It is sounding so good. Now, we have this thing. Now, basically, I want the script for this 30-second video in which you will be describing the cynics, the vibe, the place, and everything with dialogues. देखो, so अब जो हम लोग का script है, we'll paste it in a special tool that I'm going to show you today. And it's time for the secret tool. And the secret tool is Codex by ChatGPT. You heard me right. Codex by ChatGPT. So basically हम लोग क्या use करेंगे? Codex is basically a development tool by ChatGPT. If we'll go to the ChatGPT's website, मैं just दिखा देता हूँ actually, but let quick tour. ChatGPT, when you click on this, you'll find Codex somewhere here. Let me just wait. Yeah. So इसका interface ये है, and you can download it for free. After that, you'll get this interface. Okay, this way interface. And then this is basically ChatGPT running on your PC. Okay, so we'll go to plugins and use a plugin known as Remotion, and we're going to go and try it in a chat box. We'll use it for that animation, and we have divided that animation scene wise. Let's start, and we're going to use the best model GPT 5.5, so it gives us the best results. Let's start. So it's completed. Let's see the results. This is looking so fun, by the way. Let's start. Okay, this is spot on. The captions, the figurine is spot on. It's looking so good. I know. The mask comes off. The human. This is so great. By the way, you think that this is not that great of a project because this is all made, all animated by the computer processor itself. All that single element that you're seeing, that one drop of water, that's too made by animation. If you take this animation, make on your own, it will take you not years, it will take you months. If in first try, obviously, but the kind of level this is, and I made this in like 17 minutes. That's phenomenal. So this was a tutorial on making animated videos. Now, what you have to do, you have to make these kind of 30 seconds video and make a full length animated video. I'll soon launch a full animated story of this Batman's Doppelganger on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned.